whispers. Welcome. You are participating in meditation for beginners, guided beginners techniques. I am so grateful to have you with me during this guided meditation. This is a meditation where you will discover techniques to guide you along your journey. This guided beginner's meditation process starts by finding a comfortable position, a position that allows your body to be supported yet alert. As you listen to the music, find that location for yourself. It could be on a chair, perhaps sitting on the floor, even lying on your bed, whatever is most relaxing for you. Feel free to pause the video as needed and return to it when you're ready. Before we begin, please know there is no right way or wrong way to meditate. There is only the practice of participation. Once you have found that comfortable position, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Whether you're sitting or lying down, place your hands palms up in a natural and comfortable position, opening your body to receive this gift of calm. Now, just breathe. Breathe normally but focused and intentional. Feel your presence in this moment. Focus on the music, on the sound of my voice, and allow yourself to just be. In your mind's eye, see yourself standing on a windswept mountaintop. The vastness of the world stretches below, a vibrant tapestry woven with life. Above, the sky paints itself in hues of serenity, clouds drifting like silent thoughts. Feel the cool air caress your skin, carrying the whispers of ancient pines. In this expansive silence, turn your attention inward. Place your hand gently on your belly, just below your rib cage. Feel the subtle rise and fall of each natural breath, a gentle symphony unfolding within you. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, the warmth as it expands your lungs, and the sigh of release as it exits. If thoughts arise, don't chase them away. Instead, acknowledge them like birds flitting across the sky, casting fleeting shadows but never dimming the sun. Allow yourself to become mindful of your breath, and with that mindfulness, return to this moment. Feel your anchor strengthen, drawing you deeper into the present moment. Feel the earth beneath you, a steady foundation for your journey inward. Now, let's explore the rhythm of your breath. As you continue to breathe normally, upon inhalation, imagine drawing in peace, taking in clarity and filling your lungs with strength. Feel the air as it fills your lungs, how it expands your chest and belly. With each exhale, let go of any negativity, release tension, and allow worries to dissipate. See them floating away on the wind, dissolving into the vastness of the sky. Now we will take some deep and mindful breaths together. Begin by forcefully emptying your lungs through slightly parted teeth, feeling the air push against your lips, purging out all stress and tension. Tighten your belly and really push it all out. Then slowly take in a deep breath. Don't rush it. Through your nose, closing your mouth, feeling your belly soften as your lungs expand, accepting the oxygen with gratitude. Hold it there for a moment. You may feel your skin tingle, or maybe feel your heart beating a bit harder. Now release the air slowly through slightly parted teeth, feeling your lungs naturally empty. Slowly release, releasing all negativity. Inhale again, slowly through your nose, and allow yourself to feel at peace, allowing strength and clarity to infiltrate your system. With lungs fully expanded, hold peace there, captive for a moment, allowing it to take hold of worries, and exhale slowly through parted lips, allowing negativity and tension to flee from you. Once again, breathe in deeply, picturing your breath as a shimmering stream flowing peacefully within you. As you breathe deeper, the stream widens, carrying tranquility. Hold on to that tranquil feeling for a moment, appreciating its essence. Then exhale, watching the stream narrow, carrying away any burdens. Release. Exhale. Breathing normally now, but with intention, picture your breath as a radiant light igniting within your core. Feel it expand, filling your body with warmth and clarity, allowing it to wash away any darkness or doubt, leaving only stillness and serenity. As you continue to focus on your rhythmic breathing, know that in meditation there is no perfection, no expectation. This is a place where you may be gentle with yourself, allowing your mind and body to find their own rhythm. If distractions arise, acknowledge them. Then gently guide your attention back to your breath, your anchor in the present moment. Hold this space of stillness for as long as you feel comfortable. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently stretch your body and prepare to carry the peace and clarity you cultivated within you throughout your day. Remember the mountaintop. That inner stillness awaits, accessible with each mindful breath. Breathe deeply, find your anchor, and embark on your own journey within. May your practice be filled with peace, with clarity, and with the gentle rhythm of your own breath.